Now we are entered in Rive. You can see this. These are the banana. So basically what you find here, fruits, it will be fresh. They'll use very less stuff and fertilizers. See apples, see Germany is land of apples. So you'll see a lot of varieties. In India we have only one apple that we common right. One kind of apple we'll get. So many varieties are there. So this is the entry point. You can see this apple and this is a khajur or what dates you can call. Nariyal is there. See this price. It's 1.89 euros. So in India, roughly 150 rupees for this one. Bit costly, but yeah, it's not native to this. For apple, you can see it's a 2.99. It's a green apple. That will cost you 2.99 per kg. Means it will be 225 or 30 rupees kg. Depend upon that quality and exchange, right? Currency changes. So this is bio apple. It is bit costly one. So below you see. This is a normal apple with 1.99. So you can see a lot of varieties of fruits. So few of them I don't know name itself. Like this is very typical to Germany. I don't know what is the name of this. I never tried it. Yeah, but this is there. And you can see a lot of varieties we have for oranges as well. This is big orange. People don't find the green oranges. How we'll get it in India? Is avocado. It's a big thing for rich people. And you can see the price is 1.19 per piece. Here it is per piece. So one piece will cost you around 180 rupees or something. Yeah. So this is a mango. So it's a very nice thing in India, but you will find in this season as well. So it looks very good, colorful, red and green combination of red and green, and you can see the price of 1.99. So again,
Per
150, 150 per piece. Again, wherever they write this, right? Class 1 means per piece they are talking about. Otherwise, it will be like this. You can see this per kg. Per kg is 17.90, and this is a pack of 100 grams, I guess, something like that. Yeah, 100 grams. So it is costing. It will cost you 179, 1.79. Ginger. It's very costly in India also, but yeah, it can't be that much costly. It is 7.90, 600 rupees per kg. So that is that. Lemons. So next to that, vegetarian, they find very difficult to stay here because next to that you can see this egg.
We have n number of variety eggs.
A lot of varieties are there for eggs. And I'm moving towards the next side. You can see spices, some soups, and this is basically this thing. What do you call it? I don't know this fruit name. They use in Halloween. Okay. So these are like cabbages, type of cabbages. You can see this is a different cabbage. You can see from close. Yeah. So it is a bit different. And you have a different like normal what you get in India. It is 0.99 euro per kg. So it will be like 80 rupees in Indian currency. This is cauliflower. You can see that. This is a leaf. Okay, root and leaf. So here garlic, carrots they eat a lot. So you can see the small carrot, baby carrot from top. You are coming down to regular carrot. That will cost you 1.69. And again it's 1.69 per kg. It's packed one. Here you can pick it. So price is almost same. So
Action.
this is in
Offer. Yeah.
offer. So same thing after this discount 1 kg you can get for that only variety 0.88. So here you will see this combination of vegetables
So
for small families.
Yeah.
So this is like a combination of vegetable will cost you 2.99. And going forward, so many things are there. I'll show you that very typical thing to Germany. You can see this is very small. It's a very baby cauliflowers. It's a very small, very tiny. It's difficult to see. It's a new thing you will find here, and it will cost you 1.99. I don't know what they call it, but I call it baby cabbages. So there are like mushrooms. Yeah, it's a big thing and it's a very regular thing over here. People they eat mushrooms. It's a good protein diet, and you can see it's ranging from 1.99 to 0.69 per 100 grams. So it is like cheaper than India if you compare this mushrooms. Let me know what price is going on for mushroom as of now in India. These are the peppers, red one. It's a standard one, and it's a 400 grams packet. You can see it is in packet. as of like it came from manufacturing unit. You can see the size. It looks same. Per kg, it is going to cost you 6.73. So it's roughly same. Same. Yeah, you can see other vegetables. I don't know the name. This is non regular dressing pepper. It is cheaper. You can see the price for 500 grams. That is 2.29. For 1 kg, it's 4.54. So moving forward, you will find this offer. If you see somewhere in Reve or anything, it will be red in color, filled red, and it will be mentioned action on top. So that means it is an offer. So offer price will be there. These are leaves. I'm not sure what to call them, but yeah, I never prepared it. So coming back to this vegetable section, other part of vegetable section, you can see these potatoes, big potatoes and baby potatoes. Price are varying, depend upon that what you are purchasing. So 1.5 kg will cost you 2.69 euros. It will be roughly 210 rupees for 1.5 kg of baby potato. It's a different potato. So here you will see this is a grown potato. Per kg will cost you 1.25. So this is like roughly 80 rupees, 90 rupees. Onions, it's very costly here. It will cost you 7 to 800, but it is
Garlic.
different. Oh, sorry, garlic. But it's different in taste. You can feel this. The size of garlic is different. What you get there, it's easy to peel. Yeah. So customer.